So you want to know my top 3 sites to upload your design portfolio? Check it out in this video. So if you don't know me, my name is Jeremy and I'm a brand identity designer from Sydney, Australia. That's right, from the great Southland of Australia. But in this video, I just want to quickly share some 3 sites that I've used and I think that are really great to share your portfolio work. Number 1 is Behance. Behance has such a great community on there, full of amazing design. At the end of the day, it's a great site to show your work because it's really easy to use. It's really easy just to lay out your images down and set out your nice portfolio. You can even do collections. I know for me, I love doing logo collections, so I'll show my past logos for the whole year or any client work that I've done for a certain period of time, and people really love that on the platform. But the cool thing is it's totally free, so you can sign up to Behance for free and upload your work there, and it's just a great layout to just display work. And the cool thing is that if you do a really amazing project, you can actually get featured on their main pages, and if you do that, then you'll get a lot more views and traction and people coming to your profile. So that's number 1, Behance. Number 2 is a personal favorite. It's called Dribble. The only downside to Dribble is that it's invite only, so you need to get an invite to actually come onto the platform. Dribble has a nice grid type of layout. It has amazing designers from all walks of life, but the thing is with Dribble is that because it's invite only, it has a high standard and a high quality of designers. And if you do get on the platform, it's a really great place for getting inspired, but also showing your best work on this platform. So that's Dribble. Definitely check it out and see if any of your friends have invites. I don't have any, but you might find some online. And then lastly, there's create your own website. For me personally, I use Webflow. If you don't know how to use that yet, you can use Wix, you can use Squarespace, because those are pretty good and they're pretty cheap as well. And the key with this is have a simple grid, show your work nicely laid out, show your best portfolio pieces. Don't show 20 to 50 projects that you've done of logos and flyers and business cards and just random stuff. Try and make it case studies and focused and niche down on your best top 6 work, or even your top maybe 8 pieces of projects you've done. And I feel like that's gonna be really key. So hopefully that helps you start to create your portfolio and put your work out there. Thanks so much for watching this video. Definitely smash the like button, hit subscribe for more graphic design content every week. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you soon.